Not every home gets bright sunlight all day. Some rooms are darker, some apartments barely get natural light. And honestly, many people assume that means they can't keep houseplants alive. Maybe you've bought a plant before, only to watch it slowly turn yellow, droop, and eventually die near a window that still didn't seem bright enough. But here's the thing. Some plants actually prefer lower light conditions and can thrive indoors without needing direct sunlight all day long. And today, we're going to look at beautiful, low-maintenance houseplants that can brighten your home while surviving in darker spaces much better than most people realize. Some of these plants are also known for being incredibly hardy, making them perfect for beginners or busy people who simply want a little more greenery at home without the stress. Let's start with one of the toughest houseplants you can own. Number 10. Snake plant. The snake plant is practically legendary when it comes to surviving low light. With its tall, upright leaves and striking green patterns, it looks modern and elegant almost anywhere in the home. What makes it especially popular is how low maintenance it is. Snake plants can tolerate low light, irregular watering, dry indoor air, and even a bit of neglect. In fact, one of the easiest ways to damage a snake plant is actually by overwatering it. These plants store water inside their thick leaves, so they usually prefer the soil to dry out between waterings. And honestly, for people who say they always kill plants, this is often one of the best places to start. Snake plants are slow growers in low light, but they're extremely resilient and can survive in bedrooms, hallways, offices, and corners where many other plants struggle. Now, if you want something equally hardy but with softer and shinier leaves, the next plant is another favorite among beginners. Number 9. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has become incredibly popular over the last few years, and once you understand why, it makes perfect sense. Its deep green, glossy leaves almost look artificial because they stay shiny and healthy-looking even in lower light conditions. Like the snake plant, the ZZ plant is known for being very forgiving. It tolerates low light extremely well and doesn't need frequent watering because it stores moisture in underground rhizomes. That means it can usually handle occasional forgetfulness much better than delicate tropical plants. And honestly, this is one reason low-light plants are becoming so popular today. People want greenery and calmness in their homes, but they don't necessarily want the pressure of caring for high-maintenance plants every day. The ZZ plant gives you that lush indoor plant look without demanding constant attention. But maybe you want a plant that grows faster and spreads beautifully across shelves or hanging baskets. If so, the next one may be perfect. Number 8. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest and most adaptable houseplants you can grow indoors. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves can quickly make a room feel warmer and more alive. One reason people love pothos is because it adjusts well to different lighting conditions, including lower light rooms. Now it may grow more slowly in darker spaces compared to bright indirect light, but it usually continues surviving and producing leaves quite well. Pothos is also very easy to propagate. In other words, you can trim a vine, place it in water, and often grow an entirely new plant from it. Many people find caring for plants relaxing because it gives them a small sense of progress and growth inside the home. It's one of the reasons indoor gardening has become so closely connected with relaxation and well-being. Now, if trailing plants aren't really your style and you prefer something with flowers, the next plant brings a softer and more elegant feel to indoor spaces. Number 7. Peace lily. Peace lilies are well known for their beautiful white flowers and deep green leaves, but they're also surprisingly adaptable to lower light conditions. In fact, many people keep peace lilies successfully in offices, bedrooms, and living rooms that don't receive much direct sunlight at all. Now, like many low-light plants, they usually grow and bloom more actively with brighter, indirect light. But they can still survive quite well in dimmer areas compared to most flowering plants. One interesting thing about peace lilies is that they're very expressive. When they need water, the leaves often droop dramatically, almost like the plant is asking for help. But after watering, they usually perk back up fairly quickly. That's one reason many people enjoy them. They almost feel interactive. Peace lilies are also often associated with calmness and peaceful indoor environments, which is probably why they're so commonly seen in quiet spaces like waiting rooms, bedrooms, and reading corners. Number 6. Spider plant. Spider plants are classic houseplants that remain popular because they're simple, adaptable, and surprisingly resilient. Their long, arching leaves create a soft and lively look that works beautifully in hanging baskets or shelves. Spider plants can tolerate lower light conditions fairly well, although they usually prefer bright, indirect light for faster growth. What makes them especially fun is the little baby plants they produce, often called spiderettes. Over time, mature plants send out long stems with tiny baby plants attached, which you can easily replant into new pots. And there's something very rewarding about growing new plants from a single healthy mother plant. It's simple, but people genuinely enjoy watching life multiply and grow inside the home. Spider plants are also considered beginner-friendly because they adapt well to indoor conditions and don't require complicated care routines. Now, if you want something even more colorful and decorative for darker spaces, the next plant is one of the best choices available. Number 5. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreens are famous for their beautiful patterned leaves and ability to tolerate lower light better than many other decorative plants. Some varieties have silver markings, while others include shades of green, cream, pink, or even red. And despite their elegant appearance, they're actually fairly easy to care for. Chinese evergreens prefer stable indoor temperatures and moderate watering, but they generally adapt very well to homes and apartments with limited natural light. This is another reason low-light plants have become so popular today. Modern homes and apartments often don't have huge sunny windows everywhere, so plants that can tolerate softer lighting conditions simply fit better into real everyday living. And sometimes, the easiest plants to live with are the ones people enjoy the longest. Now, the next plant has one of the most fitting names on this entire list because it's known for surviving conditions that would destroy many other houseplants. Number 4. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant earned its name because it's incredibly tough. This plant can tolerate low light, inconsistent watering, dry indoor air, and temperature fluctuations much better than many delicate tropical plants. Its dark green leaves grow slowly but steadily, creating a calm and elegant look over time. And honestly, this is one of those plants people appreciate more as they get older because it doesn't demand constant attention. You don't have to fuss over it every day. It simply sits quietly in the background and continues growing slowly over time. In many ways, the cast iron plant represents exactly what makes low-maintenance plants so appealing in the first place. They add life and beauty to a space without adding stress. Now, at number 3, we have Philodendron. Philodendrons have been popular houseplants for decades because they're beautiful, adaptable, and relatively easy to care for. Many varieties grow long, trailing vines, while others grow upright with large, dramatic leaves. One reason philodendrons do so well indoors is because they naturally grow under forest canopies in the wild, where sunlight is filtered through taller trees. That means they're already adapted to softer, indirect light conditions. This is something many people don't realize about houseplants. A lot of popular indoor plants originally came from tropical forest floors where direct sunlight was never constant to begin with. Philodendrons also tend to give rooms a softer and more calming atmosphere because of their lush green leaves and natural flowing shape. And for many people, that's really the appeal of indoor plants in the first place. Not perfection, just creating a space that feels calmer, warmer, and more alive. Now, speaking of calm and elegant spaces, the next plant has been a favorite indoor plant since the Victorian era, and it's still popular today for a reason. Number 2. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm is one of the most classic low-light houseplants you can grow. Its soft, feathery leaves instantly make a room feel more peaceful and relaxed. And unlike many outdoor palm trees that need intense sunlight, parlor palms actually tolerate lower indoor light surprisingly well. That's one reason they became so popular in homes and hotels for generations. They grow slowly, stay fairly manageable indoors, and bring a softer tropical feel without requiring complicated care. Parlor palms also tend to work beautifully in corners, reading spaces, bedrooms, and offices where stronger sunlight may not reach consistently throughout the day. There's something timeless about them. They don't scream for attention. They simply make a room feel calmer and more inviting. And finally, we come to a plant that's incredibly adaptable, beginner-friendly, and almost impossible to ignore because of its striking appearance. Number 1. Dracaena. Dracaena plants are some of the most versatile low-light houseplants available. Depending on the variety, they can have long, narrow leaves, striped patterns, or dramatic upright growth that adds height and structure to a room. One reason people love Dracaena is because they tolerate indoor conditions extremely well, including lower light and typical indoor temperatures. They also tend to grow slowly and steadily, making them easier to maintain over time. And honestly, that slow, steady growth is part of what makes houseplants so relaxing for many people. Plants move at a different pace than modern life. They remind people to slow down a little, care for something consistently, and appreciate gradual progress. And maybe that's one reason indoor plants have become so meaningful to so many people today. Sometimes they're not just decoration. Sometimes they help a home feel more peaceful, alive, and comforting. So there you have it. 10 beautiful houseplants that can thrive in lower light conditions without needing direct sunlight all day long. And you know what? One of the biggest misconceptions about indoor plants is that every home needs bright, sunny windows to keep greenery alive. The truth is, many plants naturally adapted to softer forest light long before they ever entered our homes. And because of that, even darker rooms, apartments, offices, and cozy corners can still become beautiful spaces filled with greenery. The key is choosing the right plants for the environment you actually have, instead of trying to force plants into conditions they struggle with. And maybe that's why low-light houseplants continue to grow in popularity. They're simple, practical, relaxing, and sometimes adding a little bit of nature indoors can make a home feel warmer and calmer in ways people don't always expect. Let us know in the comments which houseplant is your favorite or which one you'd love to try growing at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more relaxing and practical lifestyle content. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can tap the Super Thanks button below or check out our merch. Every bit of support helps us continue creating videos like this for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.